So looking at SEC 2019 Leaving Cert Higher Level Math Paper 1 Question 3, Part A and B are just a bit of algebra, and Part C is a bit of differentiation. So if you haven't done differentiation yet, don't bother with the question, or don't bother with Part C. So factorise fully 3xy minus 9x plus 4y minus 12. Okay, well, looking at it, we can see that we could factorise out 3x from this first one. So go 3x times something. What would be left would be a y and a minus 3. Now see, can we force the second bracket to be y minus 3? Y by something is 4y. Let's try plus 4. Minus 3 by something is minus 12. Minus 3 by minus 4 is minus 12. So that works perfectly. So then to continue factorizing it, as the two brackets are the same, we can go that it's 3x plus 4 by y minus 3. Now we use that. So using part A, or otherwise solve this, okay? But the best way is to use part A, undoubtedly. So you can see that they look very similar. 3x, 3x, minus 9, minus 9x, plus 4, plus 4, plus minus 12, minus 12. So the only thing that's different is the fact that y is replaced with ln x. And remember that ln x is log to the base e of x. So we could actually use this piece of factorizing and just go, well, it's 3x plus 4 ln x minus 3. And they want us to find it when it's equals to 0. Okay, so I have two brackets being multiplied together, giving 0. That means either the first one is 0, or the second one is 0. So the first one being 0 will be x to the minus 4 over 3. So it's either that, or log to the base e of x is equal to 3. And then use page 21 of your log tables, which says a to the x is equal to y is the same as log to the base a of y is equal to x. So you'd be using this to change it to index form, and it's e to the power of 3 is equal to x. So you have to check which one, because in the question it doesn't say anything about plurals, so check which one of the answers it is. So if you were to go and sub back into here the minus 4 over 3, you'd find that it wouldn't work. Okay, the reason for that, well, let's try it. Type log to the base e of minus 4 over 3. You type that into your calculator as if you're subbing that in there. You'll get a math error, so that's not the answer. And this one is the answer right there. Last question then is the differentiation question. So if you haven't done differentiation, don't worry about it. Evaluate g dash of e. So that's the derivative of g of x. So we want to find g dash of x first. So we want to differentiate it. So g dash of x. Well, before I do that, oh yeah, no I'm not. All right, g dash of x. To differentiate this, it is two terms with x's being multiplied together. So I'm going to need the product rule there. So my u is equal to 3x. My v is equal to log to the base e of x. My du dx is equal to 3. And my dv dx is equal to 1 over x. So this, when I differentiate it, using the product rule, again, remember the product rule, dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx, g dash of x is equal to u, so that's 3x by 1 over x, plus v, which is log to the base e of x, times 3. Differentiate, so that's that section differentiated. I'm just going to move that off to the side here. To differentiate the minus 9x, you just differentiate that as normal. You're just getting minus 9. To differentiate the plus 4, well, it's 4 log to the base e of x, or 4 ln of x, so you're just getting 4 1 over x, and the constant then disappears at the end. They want us, before we sub in the e, to evaluate g dash of e, we should simplify this. And then now all we have to do is sub in my e. G dash of e, 3 plus 3, log to the base e of e, minus 9 plus 4, 1 over e. Just note then as well for yourself, log to the base e of e is 1, so it really simplifies to 3 plus 3 times 1 would be 3 by 1 is 1, so 9 plus 4, 1 over e. Use the calculator. 3 plus 3 minus 9 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over e. Enter. G dash of e is equal to minus 1.5 to 2 decimal places, 1.53. Finish it like that. And finally, marks going for the question 025 for A, 0, 4, 5, 8, 10. You can pause the video there and look at the marking scheme yourself. And then 10 marks for the last question as well. And here it is, 10 marks for the last question. Hopefully you found the video useful.